we went grocery shopping today, so I'm gonna give you a grocery haul of everything that we bought. We went to Makro today, so this is how much we spent at Makro today. That's the total for all of the things that I'm gonna show you. So yeah, if you want to see this grocery haul, then just keep on watching. So this is the overview. So I'm gonna start this side today. I organized them a lot differently than I normally do. But back here we have some eggs, and then we have a bag of washing machine powder. Then over here we have 3 boxes of these gel Colgate toothpastes. I like these, they're really nice. And then we got these Vaseline moisturizers. They didn't have Nivea, which is what we normally get, but we got 2 Cocoa Glows and 2 Advanced Repairs. We have 2 of the Peaceful Sleep refill packs over here. This is mosquito repellent. And then we have 3 boxes of these Always Daily liners. Over here we have 2 packets of these gentle cleansing wipes. And then back here we have 4 packets of the series juice blends. This is the Secrets of the Valley flavor. And then we also have Summer Whispers, I believe that's what it's called. Whispers of Summer. There we go. So that's what's here. In front here we have some Johnson's baby powder. Then we have this Duck Gel Action toilet cleaner. We have a little bottle of Vaseline cling wrap. These soup packets, all of them are cream of chicken. We have 6 Lux bars here, all the same like scent. Then we have 3 bottles of Handy Andy, 4 bottles of the Domestos, these ones, and this is the Handy Andy. We have 2 of the Sunlight dishwashing liquids. We have 2 of these Aroma Potpourri Petals toilet sprays, 1 Doom insect spray, and 1 of these Glade Blooming Peony and Cherry toilet sprays. And then in the front here we have a smooth apricot jam, 1 box of tartric acid, 1 barbecue spice, 1 bicarbonate of soda box, 2 of these baked beans cans in tomato sauce, 2 of these 6-gun grill seasoning spice packets. We have a jar of acha here. We have 5 packets of Durban curry flavored noodles back there. Then we have these sandwich bags. These are the Ziploc ones. We have a box of chili beef stock cubes. 2 of these Lucky Star pilchards in tomato sauce. 1 little bottle of soy sauce. A can of tomato puree. Then we have 2 cheeses. We have the Gouda and the cheddar. 1 small container of chopped garlic. And then this is the one thing that wasn't from Makro. I got the carbonara noodles, the ramen noodles. I got them from Chinatown. They were like $1.20. I got them from the Chinatown in Omonde, and this seems to be a popular flavor because there was only 1 packet of these left when I got this one. After I purchased this one, there was 1 left. So people seem to like the carbonara one. It was really good when I tried it. Then we have 2 of these La Familia olive oil things. We have a box of smashed mashed potatoes. And then over here we have 1 HTH pool floater, a, what is this, tin of whipped cream. We have 2 of these sprays. I actually wanted 1 like this, 1 tiny one like this. It's a very cute size. How many mils is this? 400 mils. There we go. 400 mils, really nice. You can adjust the like spraying of it. But then I saw this nice big one, same brand, but it's a pretty blue color. So And then we got a Sunlight dishwashing liquid refill. This is the antibacterial one, which kills 99.9% germs. So that's fun. We have some plain feta cheese, a tub of hot chocolate, 2 containers of plain cream cheese, a container of Nutella. In the front here we have the 3 colored bell peppers, bananas, and butternut cubes. We have what is this? Peanut butter, a thing of sour cream, 2 blocks of salted butter. Then back here, I will actually go around and show you that because I can't see everything properly. We have 1 box of Future Life. I got a pair of garden scissors because I'm trying to pick pampas grass and you can't pull it out without one of these. So yeah, this is fun. I'm excited. I have 2 packets of smoked chicken Viennas here. 1 of these foot-long cheese Russians. 1 big packet of bacon cuts. A packet of chicken gizzards. And then I saw these at Pick and Pay the other day, and they reminded me of like the American tater tots. They're potato cheese shots by McCain. This is what they look like. The packet is really tiny, and I feel like there's 10 potato cheese shots in here. But it's like 48 bucks. We also got these chili garlic potato bites. I've never tried them before. Super excited to try those. We have fish bakes back here. We got lemon flavor and 2 garlic and parsleys. And then we got a packet of spicy wedges. These are nice. And then obviously we got the sweet potato fries, rosemary and garlic. They do have a normal plain one in case rosemary and garlic isn't your style. They have just normal sweet potato skinny fries. And then a packet of cornflakes. And then we got a box of milk here. Well, a 6-pack of milk. And then we got these tiny little Cokes. And if I move to this side, we have 5 refill packs of Stay Soft. We have 2 baby ones. 1 of these aromatherapy ones, and 1 of these vitality ones. And then we have a pack of these Duck Active Clean little circles. Then we have some garbage bags here at the back. So I think that is everything that we got. Okay everyone, so that is the end of this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it if you think someone else will like it, and don't forget to check me out on my Instagram and my Facebook if you want to see my videos like in your feed. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.